Understanding scholar's mate in chess. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of chess, particularly focusing on a term that intrigues many beginners, scholar's mate. Whether you're new to chess or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. Scholar's mate refers to a four-move checkmate in chess. It's one of the quickest ways to end a game. The term is often associated with beginners because experienced players can easily avoid it. It's called scholar's mate because it's a basic strategy that scholars or learners of the game might use or fall victim to in their early stages. The sequence typically involves two pieces, the queen and a bishop. Here's how it unfolds. 1. White moves their pawn in front of the king 2 squares forward, e4. 2. Black makes a move, often advancing a pawn. 3. White then moves their bishop to c4, targeting the f7 pawn, a key weakness in black's position. 4. If black is not careful, white's next move is to bring the queen to h5, creating a direct attack on f7, backed by the bishop. Understanding scholar's mate is crucial for two reasons. 1. For beginners, it teaches the importance of early game strategies and the need to protect key vulnerabilities. 2. For advanced players, it highlights the importance of anticipating and countering early aggressive strategies. To avoid falling for scholar's mate, develop your pieces early in the game. Control the center of the board with your pawns and pieces. Be aware of your opponent's threats, especially towards the f7 or f2 for white square. And that's scholar's mate. Remember, while it's a quick way to win, relying on it can limit your growth in chess. Explore more strategies, and always stay one step ahead of your opponent. Hope this video helps you in your chess journey. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.